Good morning, students. Let's discuss illustration number 7, having some points different from the others one that you have done previously. In this question again, X, Y, Z are partners with a firm sharing profit 3:2:1, and the balance sheet is given to you. All the liabilities and assets are given to you. You have to do the same treatment. Let's recall the treatment once again. First of all the assets are to be transferred to realization account. In realization, you can look at the solution by turning the page in your book as well. On the debit side, all the assets are given to you, but see, bank balance is shown in the bank account. Provision for bad debts is shown on the credit side of realization account. Stock, investment, plant, it will be shown as it is. Goodwill, this is a new point here. In the previous question you don't find this asset. Now goodwill, you know very well, it's a valuable asset as well as intangible, which can't be seen, which can't be touched, but it is helpful to earn more profits in the firm. So it is also to be shown on the debit side, but no realized value is shown on the credit side because firm is going to wind up. On the another side, liabilities are given to you. Creditors are to be transferred. First of all, see, Mrs. X loan and X loan are given to you. It means Mrs. X loan is the third party loan, while the X loan is the partner loan. Third party loan is transferred to realization account, but the partner loan account is to be transferred to partner loan account. Workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation funds. Let's see, any adjustment related to this is given to us? No, so it is to be transferred on the credit side of realization account. Let's see what is given in the additional adjustments. X took over the investment at 25% more than the book value. If you remember, in realization account I told you whenever any partner take over the asset, the entry will become by X capital account, investment taken over. The next point is Y took over the debtors 5,000 at rupees 4,000. So Y's capital account, the debtors are to be transferred. The next point is remaining debtor realized at value 75%. See, 15,000 debtors are there. We have to deduct the 5,000 rupees book value out of that. Rest 10,000 are left. 75% value of 10,000 will be 7,500. So in realization account, the entry will become 7,500. In this way, you have to do this adjustment. After that, stock is sold for rupees 59,000. Plant, it's simple, by bank account, stock and plant is to be shown. Expense on realization is to be shown on the debit side of realization, and there is a liability against it is unrecorded liability, so to bank account it is to be shown as well. After putting all the entries in the bank account, realization account, our realization account transactions will be completed, and we have to make a balance, and the creditor and third party loan we have to pay. I am reminding you once again, if nothing is mentioned about realization of any asset, it is transferred only, it is not shown at the realized value. But the liability that is payable, if nothing is tell about the liability, like in this question nothing is tell about the Mrs. X loan, it is to be paid itself. The third party, the payable liability is paid itself, whether it is given anything else or not. If any specific instruction is given, like about creditor, it is given it is paid at 5% less, so we have to follow that transaction. But if nothing is given about the Mrs. X loan, it is also third party loan, it is external liability, so it is to be paid to bank account. But as it is, if it is not given about any asset, that at which value it is realizing or taken over, nothing is to be done at the time of realization, only it is to be transferred in the beginning. After calculating the loss of realization, we will prepare the next X loan account. First of all, balance is to be transferred, then it is to be paid off. Capital account, as it is a capital account, the balance of capitals are to be shown. Then workman compensation reserve is to be distributed among the partners. Then all the entries that are related to realization account you have done that by X capital, by Y capital, it is to be posted here. To realization, asset taken over in X account, in Y account. To realization, the loss of realization. After balancing the capital account, the final payments to bank account are to be made to the partners. At the end, we have to prepare the bank account. All the transactions in the realization account that you have done by bank, it is to be shown in bank account by realization, whether in the terms of payment of expense, damages liability, or any other liability you have paid. X loan account, you have done the entry to loan account, in to bank account. In bank account, the entry will become by X loan account. In capital account, you did the entry to bank account. In bank account, the entry will become X, Y, Z capital, whatever paid off to them. On the debit side of the bank debit, what comes in? The balance available with the firm and whatever the firm is getting by selling the or realizing the asset. The total of the bank account always remain equal because any of the business cannot pay more than its receipts or the amount available to the firm. In this way, you have to do next questions. Complete your questions up to 10. Feel free every time to send your queries. Immediately I send you the reward. Do practice because accountancy cannot be done without practice. Utilize your time in the best optimum way. Thank you. Have a nice day.